everyone, welcome back to my channel where we make educational technology easy for you. Today I am going to share you the shortcuts. By using those shortcuts you can done the job easily in Windows 10. I know you are using your PCs for a long time. These keyboard shortcuts are the best way to use a computer. So let's have a look into the same. So the first one is to capture snippets. If you like any image in a website, you do take a lot of screenshots or searching for snipping tool or using a print screen button then cropping the required part is too much of a work when the day has just 24 hours. Alternatively, you can use Windows plus Shift plus S, then crop the required part and go click over here. See, the image has been saved to clipboard. Click on save. See how the image has been cropped. Click on save. Now set the name of the image and click on save. That's it. Then the second shortcut. Snap windows easily. If you want to do multitasking, it means half of the screen is dedicated to watch live stream cricket matches while you're working on some of other off. And this shortcut is useful in these scenarios. You have to press Windows key plus with Windows key left arrow key or Windows key right arrow key. See, I have opened my current window is my notepad. I want to move this notepad to the left. So now I will going to press Windows plus left arrow key. See, my notepad has been sent to left side. So my current window is my browser. So I want to move this right side. Now I am going to press Windows plus right arrow key. So it has been sent. By using these shortcuts, we can do multitasking. Now the third one is to rename a folder. To rename a folder, totally 2 clicks has been required, but doesn't deserve that. I don't think so. Well, here an alternative easy way to do, just select the folder and press F2. See, select the required folder and press F2. Now you can change the name of your folder. So let's go into the option number 4, shortcut number 4. Switch between virtual desktops. If you have been using a Mac previously, you have used this virtual desktop feature a lot. Well, Microsoft introduced this feature in Windows 10. If you love this virtual desktop feature on Windows, then this keyboard is going to mean a lot. Keyboard shortcut is going to mean a lot to you. If you press the keyboard, if you press the Windows plus Control plus D in your keyboard, see, as you see my screen, one of the virtual desktop has been created. I am going to press once again. See my screen, Windows plus Control plus D. Another virtual desktop has been created. If you want to see how many virtual desktops has been created, press Windows plus Tab. See, this is the first desktop. 2 virtual desktops has been created. I have pressed 2 times. Windows plus Control plus D. Now I am closing this one. I don't require. See how to create Windows virtual switch between virtual desktops. So now the next thing is to lock the screen. If you want to lock the screen, you have to go to Start and click on over here, and you have to click on lock. By simply pressing Windows plus L, you can lock your screen. Windows plus L. Now I'm going to press, so my screen will going to be locked, so I'm not going to press Windows plus L. To lock the screen, shortcut is Windows plus L. Now the next thing is to minimize all windows at a time. See, now I have opened my notepad and I will open the browser. To minimize all these things at a time, press Windows plus M. See, all my windows has been minimized at a time. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button and also subscribe to the channel.